morning. Today we are heading to Cars and Coffee with Chevy. See you guys there. Thought he would be bringing the Cressida, but we are in the Z for today. Made it to Cars and Coffee. Nice sunliner right here. See too many of these. GMC Calabero, the El Camino version. Get this military beast right here. That's a machine. See too many clean examples of these. Nissan Z32. Show love to the subscribers. One subscriber car, another subscriber car right here. So, second meet of the day, a little smaller due to the heat. Nice 69 Chevelle here with a small block underneath the hood. 57 Tri-5 here with an LS swap. Nice Restomod-ish. He's gonna go LS swap here soon. 55. Hellkizzy right here. Hello guys, back at it here with another video. We are going to Steel Hands' car show today. So I'm going to have to record over this. They were playing copyrighted music, but here we are at the show. So here comes Riley and his girlfriend, and followed behind his girlfriend is his mom, who also got an RTR. Well, he convinced her to get an RTR Mustang, but this thing is so nice. And wait for it. So it's actually a paint job. That's why it says not a wrap, the plate on it. So here comes his girlfriend, Stacy. Hers is not a RTR Mustang, but it's still very clean and respectable. Got a nice wrap on it and some aftermarket lights. Here's a Whippled Coyote Supercharged Mustang, and this T-Bucket I've never seen before.